Hi guys, Bernard Chopin here, the workshop mechanic from Design Moshpit. I'm here today to talk you through the Commercialisation Workshop. Now the Commercialisation Workshop is an 8-step process to identify the strategy behind how you'll drive your marketing, your sales and your targets for a particular product or service business model. Now as a bit of preparation, what we do is we'll get you to start thinking about your business model canvas. Just to start you thinking. Then first and foremost, we'll look at the customer. What are they trying to do? What are they finding particularly difficult about trying to do that? And what are they out to gain or get? Then we'll dive deep into the product or service offering. What is the product or service? How does it address those particular customer pains? And how does it create those desirable customer gains? Then we'll create your elevator pitch or value proposition. Now this is going to be very conversational in nature and begin something like, well, have you ever had that problem where you're trying to, and then you start to describe the problem. And so we create our elevator pitch. Once we've created the elevator pitch, we want to start looking at the different business models you can have for your business, product or service. Here we'll consider all the types of business models we could employ. And we'll extend this thought process by retrofitting in the cost structure and the revenue streams for your chosen business model. That was the business model canvas back in our original exercise. Then it's a matter of choosing the relevant promotional channels, the plan of attack for sales, and then forecasting or guessing for the first period of desirable sales, units and prices. So we can put a sales stake in the sand. That is the sales target we want to achieve. So that's the Commercialisation Workshop. It's an 8-step process to identify the strategy behind how you drive your marketing, sales and targets for a particular product, service, business model. Hope to see you there.